7 shortcuts for choosing your outfits in record time. Even I struggle sometimes when it comes to choosing what to wear. And if you've got lots of clothes, the problem's even worse. Hopefully the tips in this video will take it from a 20-minute process to a 2-minute one, and it'll help to clarify the best options for that day. Okay, shortcut number 1. It's going to be using one of these. Smartphones are super clever, and one of the easiest things you can do with one of these is to check the weather in advance. Because when you think about it, the weather is going to really dictate what you're going to wear for that day. Your outfit is going to be different if it's pelting down with rain or if it's scorching hot outside. And sure, you can look out the window and guess what it's going to be like for the rest of the day, but a quick Google search on your phone will give you a much more accurate idea of what the weather's going to be like. So if you look on your phone and you see it's going to be raining this afternoon, it might be worth choosing something waterproof. The second shortcut for choosing clothes faster is going to be one that's so easy. It's so easy, but no one does it. And that is clear out all of the stuff that you never wear. Us guys, we cling on to clothes that are 2-3 years old, if not more. We don't seem to want to break the bond with the clothing, in case there comes a day when we actually want to wear it. But realistically, if you haven't worn an item of clothing in a year, you're never going to wear it. You've evidently got other things that you prefer to wear in your wardrobe. So what's the point in having these take up space in your closet? It just makes the decision-making process even slower. So anything that you've got that is completely worn out and unwearable, chuck it in the bin. But then if you've got some stuff that's, still got some life in it, you don't have to bin it. One option is to sell the clothes on eBay. Sure, you won't get much money for them, but really, you can put the money that you do get towards clothes that you will actually wear. I used to do this all the time, and sometimes if you've got branded items, you can get a bit more than you expect. Or if you don't want to go through the hassle of this, then you can just send it off to charity. Charities are always looking for clothes, and helping out a charity is morally a bit better than chucking your clothes in the bin. The third shortcut for choosing your clothes faster is to look on Instagram. Now, not necessarily looking on Instagram for clothes to buy, more so using Instagram to give you inspiration on how you can put your pieces together. If you go on there and search some of the most popular hashtags, you'll without a doubt find some good ideas. If there's a certain item of clothing that you definitely want to wear, such as a blue sweater, you could even search the hashtag for that and that'll give you very specific ideas of what else you can wear with it. In all truth, I'm not the biggest fan of Instagram, but for this sort of thing, it can be pretty good. The fourth tactic to try is to start off with your shoes. Footwear is arguably the most critical factor in finishing off an outfit. It can either make it or break it. And one of the best ways that you can ensure that your shoes actually fit in the outfit is to just start with the shoes and then construct the rest of the outfit based on the type and style of shoe that you've gone for. This prevents the situation where you've got the whole outfit, you think it looks good, you look at what shoes you've got and nothing matches. It's easier to adapt your regular clothing to your shoes, so I'd recommend doing that. And you can also do stuff like straight away, matching your leathers with your belt and your watch. It gives you some choices. The fifth shortcut that will help you to choose your clothes quicker every single day is stick to a minimalist wardrobe. One that's got basic clothing to give you the ultimate versatility. Now you're going to find loads and loads of clothing with massive logos emblazoned on the front. All weird patterns, there's all sorts of stuff out there. But the problem is, the more complicated the garment is, the harder it can often be to match. You want to keep things as easy as possible, right? Then stick to simple, plain colours. White, navy, some types of green. Nothing too bright and flashy, nothing complicated. I have got a video in the works which is going to be, the best colours that'll suit any guy. So, provided that I actually remember to come back to this video, it will be in the iCard above so you can watch that one. But knowing me, I've probably forgotten. You'll have to remind me in the comments. But yeah, basic shirts, basic t-shirts, simple jeans or chinos, simple versatile shoes. No crazy colours or patterns, just keep it easy. This will mean that you've got way more options that will actually go with each other. The sixth shortcut that's going to help you to save time when you're choosing your outfits is take a photo of good outfits that you like. There's going to come the times where you dress up, you look in the mirror, and you think, damn, I look good. Why not save the moment so that you can reuse that? This is where having a full-length mirror comes in really useful. You can pick one of these up really cheap. If you've got a girlfriend or partner or wife or whatever, she's probably got one already. You've already got a pretty good camera built into your smartphone. Once you've got an outfit that you do like, have a look in the mirror, take a picture of the outfit. And for each one of these that you do, you can create a folder on your phone of outfits that look good on you. So that if your brain goes numb in the morning, then you've got some ideas right there. And the seventh shortcut for choosing your outfits faster is one that I actually explained in a recent video. which if you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend doing so. It's no clickbaity viral video, but it is very valuable. So I'll put that one in the card above me and then also on the end screen so you can watch that one next. But essentially what it is implementing as much organization into your wardrobe as possible. Now I'm someone that quite honestly, I'm very messy. Organization? What's organization? Well, I found that you can force yourself to become more organized if you've got the right tools for the job. In that other video, I discussed a few things that I've got, such as my new type of shoe rack, new types of hangers in the wardrobe, all of which easily speed up the process of keeping your wardrobe organized to the extent that if you are a really disorganized person, you can actually almost fix it. You could even go so far as labeling the sections of clothing so that when you open your wardrobe, everything is exactly where you want it. You're not prattling about trying to find a certain item, moving your clothes up and down. It just gets done and you can choose your outfit in record time. So if you want to learn how to do that, make sure you press the link in the video. It'll be somewhere directly below me now. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, I put out videos like this every single week. Make sure you press the round subscribe icon just up here, completely free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.